Step into the 2006 Ford F-150 SuperCrew. A 4.6-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 4-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and more. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.